This is a Parthenium plant. It is growing in the sides of the roads and crops. These Parthenium are wheat plants. These are growing in sides of the roads. They are cause the diseases in the humans and animals. It is a wheat plant. It is competed with the crop plants and also harm to the human beings and animals. These pollen grains are mixed in the air and cause the allergic reactions and asthma, bronchitis. Every part of the plant when it is dry harm to the human beings. So when they are dry, it is mixed with the air and cause to the skin infections, asthma, bronchitis in human beings. So generally they are grow in the sides of the roads and in the crop. So when they are fall in the ground and they are come with the air and cause the diseases in human beings. Generally it is a wheat plant, came from the North America. Native place is North America and spread entire the world. It is a invasive species. Invasive means it is came from their native to another places and spread it entire the global. Their native place is a North America. Look at they are very beautiful and green in color, but they are damaged to human beings. By this stem, root, flowers are cause the diseases like asthma, bronchitis and allergic reactions. It is a came from North America. They are spreading from one place to another place. So beside homes also they are growing and cause the asthma, allergic reactions, bronchitis.